We are scientists.
We are.
We are trying this. We have never done it before.
That's true.
Done.
Okay.
Today we are going to be making our own DIY home cleaning products.
What do you say? Want to get dirty?
So Bennett, tell us what you've done so far.
Huh?
Baking soda.
I put baking soda in a giant pan.
Yes. Well, first we're going to put it in the oven and bake it. So what we're making first is homemade washing soda. Our oven is almost warm enough.
Okay.
Now we're going to put our baking soda.
Baking your baking soda will turn it into washing soda, and that's an ingredient we're going to need later on.
We're going to need some citrus peel strips.
This stuff is for windows.
Yes.
Now what do you do with it? I'm done peeling it.
Okay. You can eat the orange. Mmm, that smells so good.
Oh. What does it smell like?
Lemon.
Let me smell. Oh. Don't forget to wear an apron.
Mmm.
I haven't bothered to make my own cleaners much in the past because it's just so convenient to pick them up at the store. But I realized I really have almost all the ingredients needed anyway, so why not just try it?
Okay. Now what? Do you fill up with water?
No. Next we're going to fill it up with vinegar.
Plus, it is nice to know what's in my cleaners. Most of them are some combination of vinegar and baking soda with a few other ingredients.
Perfect. Now we need one more cup.
Done.
Perfect.
We're done with making it.
Yeah. Let's wipe up the spill. Put the lid on.
Okay. Then what?
Then we put it in the sun.
How long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 cups. Ooh, that's delicious.
Ooh, it smells like peppermint. We're like scientists.
We do.
That's good. That looks stirred.
We are scientists.
We are.
Floor cleaning stuff.
There we go. That one's done.
Oh.
Okay, so we need
Do what?
Okay, dump that in.
Actually, I see some guns. I see some guns.
Moving great. 2 tablespoons of soap. I'm gonna add it a tiny bit at a time and then you stir.
Starting to smell. I can do. It's gonna be. Why is the ear aching?
Medicine?
Uh-huh.
It's for earaches, cuts, owies, removing stains. Now this, I'm gonna put it in really slowly so it doesn't get too fizzy.
Got it. Scientist. After this, I will make a do experiment in the bathtub. We're gonna use all these same ingredients and that, and now we're gonna fill it up in one of those in that, and then we're gonna pour it into when it explodes
Oh my!
in the bathtub.
Explosion.
It just looks so cool, Mom. Remember when we did that? A volcano in the bathtub?
Somebody's calling me. I'm in the middle of a science experiment.
Okay, now we make it into balls?
Yes.
Yay.
You're gonna need
Hands?
something roundish, like a scoop.
Aw.
But you can use your hand
Okay.
to scoop it in and pack it down nice and hard.
Okay.
Harder?
Yeah, 1/2 of it done. We are trying this. We have never done it before.
That's true.
We are scientists. I am a scientist with dirty hands.
All of the recipes that I'm trying today came from the book Simply Living Well, A Guide to Creating a Natural Low-Waste Home by Julia Watkins. And I will post a link in the description below in case you want to check that out. It is packed full of great ideas. So much more than just the cleaning.
It'll be okay.
Okay.
I actually checked the book out from the library first and then liked it so much I went ahead and bought it from Amazon so that I could mark up my own copy.
Can't wait to try them out.
Yeah. Starting another bomb. By the way, I'm 5. My name is Bennett. I am a scientist. You think you have enough?
I think I have enough for a little while.
Okay. Me too.
Beyond the money saving or concerns about toxins or any of those possible reasons that could motivate you to want to make your own cleaning products, I will just say it is really fun. And that is probably the primary reason that I will be doing this again.
So first we need 2 cups of water.
In this bowl, got it. I'm an old granny. So I look like an old granny. That's funny.
We need 1 1/3. This is 1/4, so this is not the right one, but this is the right one.
Now I'm gonna go wash this hand off. In here? Yeah. Yeah. And done. Now it's all white.
Yeah.
And peppermint. Yes. When you're done stirring, it should look like that. Oh, wow. Looks like snow.
This is gonna be tricky.
I'm trying to do the eco-friendly thing and reuse these bottles because I'm sure they can't be recycled. And I'd rather not have to go out and buy new bottles, even though it would look more aesthetic. But it is really hard to try to get this liquid into the toilet bowl cleaner bottle.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Okay, part 2.
Now we better clean up a little bit
A lot.
before we do our next thing.
This time I need to wait it out. Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how to make me cry. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight. You may think that you've lost me already. I feel that you tell me, but I'm still your girl. You may think that you've lost me already, but when things get heavy, I'm still your girl.
Oh, this doesn't play by itself.
Yes, he does.
Or does it?
Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight, making everything alright. You may think that you lost me already. Can't tell that you tell me, but I'm still your girl. You may think
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam.
I will include a link to the book that inspired me with these recipes in the description down below so you can check it out. And also, if you would like my free checklist for spring cleaning, there's a link in the description to download that as well.
Tiny bit, yeah. I'm expecting more.
Okay.
And you're supposed to wait till it's all dissolved.
Okay.
It's gonna take a while, I think.
a little bit disappointing, but the dishwasher detergent is amazing and I highly recommend it. Also, I love the floor cleaner and the all-purpose cleaner. I think the toilet bowl cleaner would work better without the baking soda in it, but as it is not terrible. I hope you enjoyed this scientific experiment. If you did, make sure to like this video and leave us a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.